Hi guys, this is a how-to video for my Love You Very Much card. The files can be found on my Etsy, but even if you don't purchase, stick around to see how I register raster and vector artwork within Design Space. Create a new project within Design Space and click Upload. Upload and save the Card Vectors SVG. Then upload the Strawberry PNG. Choose Complex and ensure that you're saving as a print and cut image. Do the same thing for the Jacket PNG and the Base PNG. Select all 4 files and insert them onto the canvas. Select the Card Vectors group and ensure that the dimensions are 19.181 inches by 11.75 inches. Then move this group to position 0, 0 on the canvas. Select the Strawberry group and ensure the dimensions are 8.577 by 3.561 inches. Also move this group to 0, 0 on the canvas. Select the Jacket and ensure the dimensions are 9.25 by 6.75. Move this group to position 0, 5. Finally, select the Base and ensure the dimensions are 9.181 by 6.75. Move this group to 10, 5 on the canvas. Each of the 3 PNG files should now be lined up with one of the black rectangles within the SVG. If they are not, please recheck your dimensions and placement. Next, ungroup card vectors. Select the subgroup that lines up with the strawberry and ungroup that. Select each ungrouped layer and check the line type color. Items with a blue line type should be left as cut. Items with a red line type should be changed to score. Here I just changed the layer order so that I could see my extra cut and score lines on top of my strawberry print and cut layer. Select the cut, score, and strawberry print layers and click Attach. Then either hide or delete the strawberry sacrificial rectangle. Continue to ungroup each subgroup, change the line types, and attach them to the PNGs, hiding or deleting the sacrificial rectangles as you go. The last portion of the SVG, the stem and calyx of the strawberry, are designed to be cut out of green cardstock. Change this layer to score as shown, and then attach both items in this subgroup. Congratulations! You've completed the project setup. Don't forget to save, and then click Make It, and we'll check out how this will look on your mats. When you hit Make It, you should see 4 mats. The first will have actions to print, score, and cut. The second will have actions to print, score, and cut. The third will have actions to print, score, and cut. And then finally your 4th mat, which is for your green cardstock, will only have actions to score and cut. So here are all the pieces cut out in real life. For this project, I'm going to use adhesive runners, like this permanent dot runner, and this other permanent crafter's tape runner. We're going to start with the strawberry and the stem piece. Fold the strawberry in half as shown. The base of the stem is going to be glued inside the strawberry so that the stem part sticks through. Apply some adhesive to either side of the stem base. Carefully thread the stem through the slit in the strawberry fold. Make sure the stem curves as shown. Open the strawberry up and lay it carefully on the printed side without bending the stem. Begin to fold up each of the tabs along the curved edge of the strawberry. Apply adhesive to each of these tabs. And then fold the two halves of the strawberry together, attaching at the tabs. Valley fold the large white tabs towards the strawberry. Set this part aside. Next, we'll work on the calyx. So just like the strawberry, fold this in half. The calyx is an M-fold piece. That means this score is a valley fold, this and this are valley folds, and then this last one's a mountain fold. So I like to start working my folds from the edges towards, I guess we'll call it the vertex, where they all come together. So just start coaching them. I had a little trouble with this mountain fold. Sometimes it's tough when you have a lot of cutouts near a fold. And I don't know, the grain of the paper maybe just wasn't with me. So you see me bending it a little bit there. It's okay. Sometimes in the middle of these, it doesn't seem like they're going to come, but just keep working it. And if you can apply pressure as shown, you'll start to get that point. And sometimes it helps to lay it down flat, since that's the goal with all of these, is something that'll fold flat. And I just keep working it in there towards that little point. Use my nail to complete the valley side of that mountain fold. And it's just about there. So same thing on the other side. Watch this one go a lot more smoothly. Valley, 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 mountain. And then I'm kind of just pressing and squeezing. And then lay it down to finish it off. Coaching it into its final position. Alright, so this is how your calyx should look when you finish folding it. Go ahead and set this part aside. Now take your base page and fold along the score line. Now grab your strawberry part and work the two big tabs into the slits on the base page. As you feed the tabs through, start to close the card down. And when you get the card shut, pull the tabs up to snug the crease lines against the slits. Stick down each tab, again making sure that each tab is fully pulled through the base page. And here's our chocolate covered strawberry without its hat. So now we'll work on adding that hat or calyx to the strawberry. It's going to go on this direction, and the stem is going to poke through just like we did with the strawberry, so it sits on top of it there. These leaves are going to be glued to the card. Just going to get some scrap to put my adhesive on. Just going to run some adhesive on either side of this fold. And then I'm switching to my permanent dot adhesive to do the leaves since they have kind of a regular shape. This is definitely the trickiest part of this card. So I fold up my M fold, being careful not to stick the calyx to itself. And then I'm going to thread the stem through the calyx part. The problem is the more open that fold is, the tighter the slit is. The more you can have the calyx folded or bent, the slit opens a little bit more, but it's just tricky to hold on to and make sure I get it on camera. My hands get in the way a little bit. See, there's the tip of the stem coming through. Once you get it started, it's a lot easier to just slide the thing on. Slide it all the way to the strawberry, snug it up down there, and then I pick up my folds against the strawberry and then holding them all together so you can see. Holding them all together, fold the card down. It's a little hard to show you, but it's making sure the card will close. And then the top is still kind of sticking up here, but these didn't get pressed down too much, so they're easy to lift up and readjust. Still make sure it folds flat. All right. There we go. Chocolate covered strawberry pop. Now we just need to add the jacket. Grab the jacket part, do a mountain fold along the score line. Set that down. And then just note which direction. You don't want to get this far and then attach your jacket upside down. So be very careful about that. Just adding some adhesive right over the tabs that hold the strawberry. This will just reinforce, make the pop-up really strong. And then I'm going to run adhesive along the outer edge of the card. I decided to do this on the jacket so I can roll it flat. If I did it on the base, we would have rolled over the tip of the strawberry, and it just makes it harder. So then with the jacket open, line up your base card. And that's why the base is a little less wide than the jacket, so it fits in there and lines up with the edges. Make sure we're stuck down, and then do the same thing to the back. Adhesive to cover the tab, And you can roll some right over the slit. Just kind of reinforce that whole area. And then again along the jacket edge. And this time just fold the whole card flat so that we know it'll stay flat. And there we go. There's your I love you very much card. Thanks for watching. See you next time.